Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Palettes and Pigments. Hi, my name is Duti. Hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I am going to create this look right here, perfect for Ashtami, perfect for any festival. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so for primer, I am taking the Blue Heaven primer and applying it mainly on the center of my face and tapping the remaining product on the rest of my face and on my neck as well. Then I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 and applying it on the dark circles around my nose, around my mouth, and I am also applying it on the areas where I have dark spots and I need to conceal. All the products I used in this video are mentioned in the description box. You can check that out too. I'm taking a small blending brush and blending that concealer. I'm using the stippling motion and tapping the product right where I applied it to get the maximum pigmentation. As I said on my last video, you don't need to be very precise with this step as you will apply foundation over it and that will help to cover it. Next, I will take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and mix them on the back of my hand and apply it all over my face. All the shades of the products are mentioned on the description box, so you can check that out too. And next, with the help of a stippling brush, I will spread the product evenly on my face and my neck. I'm not exactly blending the product, I'm first spreading the product all over my face and neck. Next, I will take a Damn Beauty blender. This is the Blue Heaven makeup sponge and I will blend the foundation into my skin, making sure each and every corner of my face is covered and nicely blended. Take your time with this step and blend it nicely. Also, never forget to apply foundation on your neck and blend it nicely. And also your ear, don't forget the ear. Next, I am taking my Swiss Beauty concealer and with that I will highlight my face a little. I am highlighting my inner corner of my eyes, the outer corner, slightly on the bridge and the tip of my nose, on the forehead and the cupid bow and the chin. Make sure to use the tiniest amount of the product as it is highly pigmented. Now with the same sponge I am pressing the product in. I am not spreading it anywhere. I am just tapping the product right where I applied it and making sure there is no demarcation between the foundation and the concealer. Also take your time with this step and blend the concealer nicely. Next I am taking my Blue Heaven Sapphire translucent powder and I will bake the places where I applied the concealer, that is under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, around my mouth and my forehead. For the rest of my face, I will slightly tap on the powder with the help of the same beauty sponge. I will not bake the face, I will just tap on some powder to make sure it is nice and set. I will also set my neck area. Next, for my brows, I am taking the Maybelline Fashion Brow Eyebrow Pencil. I am lining the bottom and upper part of the eyebrow and filling it in nicely, making sure I deposit the most of the product on the tail part and in the front I am just feathering the product out slightly. Then with the help of spoolie, I am combing it out, making sure the product is nicely spread and there is no knot. Then I am taking my Makeup Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette in the variant Hypnotic and taking that dark brown shade, I am applying it on my crease and the outer corner of my eyes. Then taking this nutty shade with the help of a blending brush, I am blending that shade with the dark brown to get a nice ombre effect. Then I am taking this nice shimmery gold color with the help of a sponge tip applicator and applying it all over my lid. Then I am taking my K Beauty Kajal and applying it on my upper lash line, making a thick liner. Then I am taking the same eyeshadow palette and picking out this black and dark brown shade right here, and I'm using it to smoke out my upper lash line. Here we're almost done with the eyes. Now I will dust off the excess powder from my face. For my lower lash line, I will take the same kajal and I will apply it on my lower lash line as well as on my waterline. Then with the same black and dark brown eyeshadow, I will smoke out my lower lash line also. And with the help of a small blending brush, I will blend everything further to make it nice and blended. Then I will take this Sugar Face palette and taking the bronze shade right here, I will bronze up my face slightly. As I'm going heavy with my eyes and lips, I will keep my face as natural as possible. And for blush, I will use this shade right here and apply it right above I applied my bronzer. Next, taking the highlighter from the same palette, I am applying it on the highest point of my cheeks, on my nose and on my cupid's bow, and also on my chin. And with the help of a small brush, I am also applying it on the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bones. This will instantly brighten up your eye makeup. Next, taking the Wet n Wild Natural Makeup Finishing Spray, I will damp my sponge and press it all over my face, making sure everything nice is and set and there is no excess product on my face. I completely forgot to highlight my collarbones, so here I am doing that. And for lips, I am taking the Miss Claire lip liner and the Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Red 2 and applying it on my lips. I totally forgot to apply mascara and falsies, so I did that off camera. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that is it for today. Hope it was helpful for you. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video with the Navami look. Till then, take care. Bye.